All right, it's that time of year. This might be the last ride of the year. We are, I want to tell you, third week of October, maybe second, but next week's supposed to be like a high of 40, low of 19. So until I have like a bike with a windshield and heated gear, I'm not riding in that. Sorry, I'm not built that way. We thought we'd bring the kids out here before it gets too much colder and close out the season in a good way. Come on, Hot Rod. What do you got? What do you got? What do you got? All right, Liam, what's your goal for the day? What are you gonna do? Anything cool? So as you guys can tell, there's a lot of people here. I don't think we're the only people with the thought that this might be one of the last days. So we're out here with no agendas. The only agenda here today is have fun. So we'll just see how things go and have a good time. So hopefully you guys are getting a ride in before the year's over. We'll probably ride at my dad's house a little bit, but other than that, we're about done. And I can hear by the sounds of it, the fact that I forgot to change Liam's spark plug is sounding about right. So I got a brand new one in a drawer, just forgot it. Whoa. So I got to finish gearing up here. When you have kids, you spend all your time getting them around. So by the time I pack their lunch, load all the bikes on the trailer, gear them up, get off the trailer, half the damn day's gone, right? That's how it goes. So, okay, my turn to gear up. What's the two-stroke doing? I'm greasy today. Woo! Oh, come on! Let's see it! There you go. Let's go follow them. Okay guys, so I thought what we'll do, because this is our last riding day, right? And it feels good when you do something new. And even if you fail, it can still feel good, Liam, even though you hate losing. You're so pissed you won't even look at me. What we're gonna do is, for the kids, it's optional. That hill right there, and this one right here.
I just did that one.
Did you? That one right there?
Yeah, I just did that one.
Did you? Well, I didn't see it.
Got stuck on it.
Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna do 50 cents if you try it. If you make it up all the way, I'll give you $1. So you can earn $2 right now for each of the. I just did that hill though. Well, we didn't see it on camera. If a tree falls in the woods and nobody hears it, did the tree make a sound?
No. Yes.
I'm offering you money and you're telling me you already did it. So what are you thinking? Come on. Come on, finance guys. All right, Liam's up first. We're not a popular channel, so this is gonna burn up all my revenue for this video. Here we go. Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh, this is steep. Oh. You didn't give enough gas. Nope, you didn't make it. Well, Liam, so far,
Last time.
I believe it, so far you've earned 50 cents. You can get another 50 cents by making it all the way to the top. I think you were in the good gear. You let off the gas. Keep that motor revving. And Liam, with the two-stroke, I've never taught you this. Look at me. When your motors die, just touch the clutch a little bit and it'll rev it up. Woo! Who's up? You? Okay. Let's see you earn some money. Woo! 50 cents to Evan. I'm now out $1. Do you need help, Dad?
Daddy, is the hill hard?
Come here. The hill's kind of hard. That's why I'm offering money. If you do this, do you know what floor it means? Do you know what floor it means?
Yeah.
Okay, that's why your brother and Evan didn't make it. It's because they didn't floor it. So if you know what floor it means, you need to floor it to make it, okay? Now there's some cars around here, so let's be careful till they go, okay? But if you want to make this and you want your $1, you gotta do it. So remember, 50 cents for trying, $1 for making. You got it, go. Full throttle. Hold it. That's how you do it. See, the problem is now I started something. Now they're gonna want activities all day long to make money, aren't they? How'd that feel, man? How did that feel?
Good. Now isn't that one?
Well, you hold on. Let's see if your brother and Evan want to do it again. You doing it again?
Yeah, first this time.
Okay, well, let Liam go first. I still say second, but floor, never let go. Here's redemption. Yeah, baby. Go, go, go. There it is. They did it! Nice!
Hey, there's still another hill.
I know. You're now up $1. High five.
I'm gonna do that.
Okay, let me go show you guys the other hill. I gotta move my bike. We get a tip over. Now I'm out $4. Oh, he's learned. Whoa, watch your leg, watch your leg. And that's why it's a challenge. Good work, Liam. You've made $1.50 so far.
Dad, mess me up.
Okay, let's go. That was close. Oh, you did it. Good job. Yeah, you. Oh, you're doing it. He just killed his bike. He is so freaking rattled right now. He's gonna hate me. That was good. All right, you guys can do it again if you want. You're not getting paid though. Oh, good thing he already earned his money. High five, my man.
I almost flew off.
I don't care. You didn't. You're here and you made it up the hill.
I made $2 now.
You've made $2.
I'm not gonna do that hill again because I don't really like it.
I don't see any more challenges here that I want you guys to do.
Because that one's too close to trees, right?
That's too tight for the kids. You could maybe, yeah, I wouldn't do any more. Okay, I'm gonna sit down. Made it. Uh-oh.
Remember what I said about going to first? You got to ship.
That's okay. You're okay. You did good. Liam can never come straight. He's got to turn around every time. No matter how far away he is, he's got to do the run up. There you go. Okay, so what we're gonna do is I'm gonna do what I asked the kids to do, but I'll put a little twist on it. That's about as close as I can get and still make it. Okay, and so then this was the other one I was having the kids do. And that twig was throwing them off. A little enduro today. Okay, so that's first gear. You can idle down pretty good before you got a clutch. Okay, we got some races going on between grandparent versus grandchild. Let's check it out. Come on, Tyler, do it again. Not bad, 110 against 230. Oh, here they come. All right, Liam, you gonna get in some racing action with your grandpa when your break's over?
In a minute.
In a minute?
Papa, did I win?
Huh?
Did I win?
Well, on the way back, it looked like you were in the head. How was that? Was that fun?
Good.
Good? Good fun? 110 versus 230? All right, go ahead and shut it off for a break.
I want to see the 80 race against.
Because it's not fair against the 450. I mean,
That
jeez.
pulled up on me, it hooked up good.
Yeah?
I wasn't expecting that.
These are Pirellis.
I think I put a front.
Oh,
on.
yeah,
I
then
don't
we
think
put the
I put a back.
MX-33 on this one. No, this 230 runs good. Fun bike. You two, Tyler, you stop. Liam and Evan, on your mark, get set, go! I think we got to work on some drag race shifting. Are you in first?
I'm in second.
Okay, on your marks, get set, go! Not bad. On your marks, get set, go!
I'm the winner so far, right?
Yep, we got to work on your shifting. It's okay. Your race shift, you got to be like,
Tyler started in second.
well, he's got an automatic clutch.
He don't have a
I don't blame him for starting second. What did you do to your pants? How'd you rip these?
What?
You ripped your pants.
Where?
It's like you melted on something. What were you doing, kid? You ironing? You don't iron. On your marks, get set, go! Oh, you got into it more that time. Okay, I'm gonna race my dad and give him a bike length head start. Okay, on your mark, get set, go! Oh! Ah. Wasn't good for the gearbox. When I did my race, I bumped the shifter and it ground a little, so not the best experience for the bike. Oh! Liam's sharing a chip. Now guys, we're not that popular of a YouTube channel, so even though this is going on the internet, I don't feel that bad. But rumor has it you lost at an arm wrestling match the other night to a girl.
And to me, weaker than him.
He won?
Lost to me.
So
I won you. No, I'm talking to Liam. I beat you. Yeah, only one time.
Well, let's get back
You
to
said
the
two,
subject
liar.
of being beat by a
Go.
girl.
You said two
Hold
liars.
on.
Back to the
Hold on.
subject.
They all
Focus.
got beat as well.
Focus. Who was this girl that beat you?
My grandma.
Your grandma?
Hey, she's strong. Papa bit her 2 fingers though. What?
There you go.
Just like that. Getting it. Somebody chewed this up. Woo. Oh, go, go, go. It's slippery today.
That is standing.
I'm going to try it one more time to pass you in. Hi. Well, you go too far. That would suck. Can't get a straight takeoff to it. Whoa! Stupid tire. I know, that's fine. We gotta wash everything at this point.
You're so.
If anybody's gonna bog a mud puddle, it's Tyler, so let's have him do it, right?
There's smoke coming from his engine.
It's just steam.
Yeah.
Keep it running until the steam blows off.
Hey, my engine.
It's fine, just keep it running.
Can I take a break?
You cannot take a break. I did not buy that bike for you to rest. You have to ride that until the gas tank's empty. Nope, not till the gas tank's empty.
No, Daddy, can't.
No brakes. Gas tank has to be empty.
Yeah.
Yes, you can take a break. You don't have to ask.
Daddy?
Liam's gonna do a burnout on Tyler's bike. He's dragging the front. Watch out, Evan. There we go. There you go. Aw. It's okay, Liam. That bike flames out easier than all of them. Everybody's addicted to doing burnouts now. We've covered this whole area. It's kind of funny. Okay, you know I love you.
I wanted to do big ones, but I did it too big.
Yeah, please don't do that, because that just screws the chain and bearings up. It just drives dirt into the bike, okay? No, get on. Just get on. Oh, it's okay. Just don't do them that deep. Oh, no. Oh, right in the water. Oh, jeez. Oh, buddy. There you go. Now you got my glove, buddy.
Can I touch you?
Nope. Here you go.
Can you get it somewhere away from the mud puddle?
Well, I don't want to soak. Oh, shoot. Uh oh. You broke your clutch. We're done. You're done. Okay.
At least you got another one.
You're gonna give me a ride back. If I can get this to good enough, follow me. Damn it. Oh, but no, you're riding with me. Okay, fire up.
Okay. Daddy was on the red leaf.
I got it. I may be riding, bitch, but I ain't driving, bitch. Hey, foot up. Oh, that bottomed out. You scared? This is nothing. Oh, we got this. Oh, it's gonna bottom out. Oh. No fear. Wide open. Oh, jeez. Yeah, we need to sell this someday after that, huh? There we go. Oh. Up a gear. Go up a gear. Watch out, Evan. All right, Evan, you ruined everybody's day by ending it, but overall, did you have fun? Because that's what matters.
Yeah.
You know, I guess if you had a good time, you know, when you were done,
I mean, it's already late.
the rest of us got to be happy, right? Yeah. Aren't you glad I'm your uncle and not your dad?
But his clutch broke.
Yeah, it is. Liam, good job. How'd that feel going through there? I was only telling you to try a gear higher, but you were ripping.
I did do a gear higher.
Oh, you're just going even faster. That bike has what's called a closed ratio transmission, so when you're that high into the RPM bands, the next gear isn't that much different, so you can give it a shot. So I feel stupid on that drag race I did. That's the height I like to keep my shifter, pretty standard. And I'm wearing different boots than I've been wearing lately. I'm gonna use that as my excuse. I was either in third or second, and my foot, when I had it floored, pushed up on it, and you heard the motor free rev, and then it banged into gear. So I hate stuff like that. I don't mind running the bike hard, but I hate doing crap like that. And I know they're supposed to be tough and designed for it, but I'm due to change my oil here soon, and I was considering just dumping the oil and leaving the filter, but now I think what I'll do is after today I'll change the oil and I'll just inspect the filter and see if there's any shavings in there. All right, that was a good day. I'm satisfied if that's the way we end the season, because last year when we bought my bike, I think it was the end of September, it was snowing. So now we're in the middle of October and it hasn't snowed yet, so it's been a better year. Yeah, so Anyway, thanks for watching the video. We had a good time. Good way to end the season. Winter's coming, and so maybe we'll do some mods to the bikes. I want to tear apart Liam's bike and change the needle in his carburetor. I don't think I'm going to do a piston yet. He's only about 40 hours, and we're handing that off to Tyler next year. So I think what we're going to do is run it one more year, and then we'll put a top end kit in it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a good one.